Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Example 2, page number 103. Find the equation of tangents to the curve x square minus y square minus 6y equals to 0 at the point whose abscissa is 4. Abscissa means the x coordinate of a point. Let's go for the solution. The given equation is x square minus y square minus 6y equals to 0. First of all, we are going to find the y coordinates of the points at which the tangent lines are to be evaluated. So for that, we put x equals to 4 in this equation. As a result, I get 4 square minus 5 square minus 6y equals to 0. I'm going to simplify it and then I'm going to adjust it a little, and then I'm going to take a negative sign common and factorize it. This negative sign, you can say that you have multiplied both sides with the negative sign. You know what to do with it. And then you factorize it. As a result, you get two values of y equals to 2 and y equals to minus 8. It shows that for x equals to 4, we have two values of y. It means there are 2 points. One point is 4, 2 and the other point is 4 minus 8 on this curve at which the equations of tangents are to be evaluated. Now we have got the points. Next step, we have to find the slopes of the tangent lines. For that, we are going to differentiate this equation 1 with respect to x. So we differentiate 1 with respect to x. We put d by dx on both sides. D by dx of x is of 0 is 0, of course. And then d by dx of x square is 2x. Then minus y square d by dx is minus 2y into dy by dx. And 6 is a constant, so derivative of y is dy by dx. Now take 2 common, okay, and then also minus common from these 3 and also these 2, and also dy by dx common. All you have to do is to find the value of dy by dx. So steps are yours or are of your own choice. I have done it like this, that I have taken 2 common and I have taken this minus sign common and I have taken this dy by dx common here. Now divide both the sides by this 2 and this 2 will be gone and you will have this thing, x minus into y plus 3 divided into dy by dx equals to 0. Bring this towards right hand side and now you can evaluate dy by dx by and the value of dy by dx will be equal to x divided by y plus 3. Here it is, dy by dx is equal to x divided by y plus 3. And now we are going to find the required tangent lines. First of all, let's find the tangent line at 4, 2. Slope of tangent line at 4, 2. We name the slope as m. It is evaluated as dy by dx at 4 by 2. That is, we have to find the value of dy by dx at 4, 2. dy by dx is x by y plus 3. So we have to find the value of x by y plus 3 at 4, 2. Means put x equals to 4 and y equals to 2. Here it is. So we get m equals to 4 by 5. Now we take some help from chapter 4. In chapter 4, we will see that equation of line through a point x1, y1 and having slope m is given by y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So let's put x1, y1 equals to 4, 2 and m equals to 4 by 5 in this particular equation. So we get y minus 2 is equal to 4 by 5 into x minus 4. In place of y1 we put 2, in place of x1 we put 4 and in place of m we put 4 by 5. Now this is the equation of the tangent line. What is left is we have to arrange this, we have to do some simplifications here and write this in a particular presentable shape. So multiply 5 to both sides and you will get, and open up this bracket 2. So you will get 5y minus 10 equals to 4x minus 16. As a result, you get, now bring both these terms towards right hand side. You get 4x minus 5y minus 16 plus 10. That is 4x minus 5y plus 6 minus 6 equals to 0. And this is the required equation in a proper presentable standard shape. This is the equation of tangent line to the given curve at the point 4, 2. Now let's find the equation of tangent line at 4 minus 8. For that, we are going to find the slope of tangent line at 4 minus 8. It is also, I have named it the same letter small m. and it is equal to dy by dx at 4 minus 8, that is x by y plus 3 at 4 minus 8. What do you have to do? Put x equals to 4, put y equals to minus 8. Simplify and you get m equals to minus 4 by 5. Now again a help from chapter 4, that is equation of line through the point x1 y1 and slope m is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So put x1 y1 equals to 4 minus 8 and m equals to minus 4 by 5, that is in this particular equation. Put y1 equals to 4, put y1 equals to minus 8, put x1 equals to 4 and put m equals to minus 4 by 5. So I get y minus minus 8 equals to minus 4 by 5 into x minus 4. This is the equation of tangent line. All we are going to do is to do some simplification and write it in a standard form. So for that, just open up this bracket and then bring this 5 over here. And you get 5 into y plus 8 equals to minus 4 into x minus 4. Open up all these brackets and you will have 5y plus 40 equals to minus 4x plus 16. Now bring both these terms towards right hand side and you get 4x plus towards left hand side, I'm sorry, and you get 4x plus 5y minus 16 plus 40 equals to 0. As a result, you get 4x plus 5y plus 24 equals to 0. So you get the second answer. And what is it? It is the equation of line to the given curve at the point 4 minus 8, and this was the equation of tangent line to the given curve at the point 4, 2, and that completes the solution.